So this is for class 9th mathematics. Okay, today's class, the newly added chapter logarithms exercise 2 I will be solving today. This is for Goa board. Okay, newly added chapter it is logarithm. So let me start. First you all take down the exercise 2. In the previous class I have already gave you all the exercise 1. Okay, so the express the following in the exponential form. The first one is log of 65 to the base 8 is equal to 2. You'll have to make this, you have to bring this in exponential form. So how you are going to do this? Let us see. Okay, first you'll have to take down the question. Express the following in the exponential form. Log of 64 to the base 8 is equal to 2 is given, right? So here, which definition is important? Definition of logarithm is very important. The logarithm of any number to a given base is the value of the index to which the base must be raised to get a given number. So if b raised to power of m is equal to n, this is an exponential form, then m is said to be, here this m is said to be the logarithmic of the number n, and is written as log of n to the base b is equal to m, where b and n are positive real numbers and b is not equal to 1. M is a real number. Okay, then you all have to take this note. We know that b raised to power of 1 is equal to b. Log of b to the base b is equal to 1. So remember that logarithm of any number to the same base is always 1. Second point is, we know that b raised to power of 0 is equal to 1. So log of 1 to the base b is equal to 0. Also a raised to power of 0 is equal to 1 is given, right? So log of 1 to the base a is equal to 0. So always remember, logarithm of 1 to any base is always 0. So this concept you can take down. Here what is important is, this is exponential form and this is a logarithmic form. Okay, so let us see the concept in this. So use this. Okay, a log of what is given? Log of b to the base a is equal to n. So a raised to power of n. So here your base is what? 8. So write down 8 square is equal to 64. Right? You'll have to apply this rule. Is equal to b. Here b is what? 64. So moving next. Next let us see. You'll have to apply the formula and do it. Okay. So here what will be there? 15 raised to power of 1 is equal to 15 you all will get, right? Next, moving further, 3 raised to power of, what you will get here? Log of 6 is given. So log of 6 to 16 is equal to 3. A is what? Your 6. Your 6 is your A raised to power of n. Your n is, where is your n? Your n is 3 over here, right? Raised to power of 3. You will get, answer will be 216, right? Here you all can see your b is 216. So write down. Okay. Next, moving further, d1. Okay. This is also very easy only. So do it. What you'll have to do over here is 10 raised to power of -4 is equal to 0.0001 is your answer. Okay. Next, let us see E1. Your E1 will be what? 3 raised to power of 0 is equal to 1, because your A is what? 3 and n will be what? 0 is equal to, your B is 1. So write down 1. And always note that this part. Logarithm of 1 to any base is always 0 over here. Okay. So I hope, thanks for watching.